Hi friends, this is Ray from Honeytop Bees. Let's talk about how to install a package of bees. Now today I'm going to be installing this package of bees into this 5-frame nuke temporarily. The process is exactly the same if you're installing them into a hive. So inside of our package we have 10,000 bees, a can of sugar water, and a queen. In my particular case, my queen has been marked by the package supplier, but that's not really relevant for our installation here at all today. The first thing I'm going to do is get my hive ready. I've already waxed all of my frames, and so that the bees will be more likely to take to them. And in my particular case, I was able to put a frame of drawn comb in the middle. If you're a brand new beekeeper, you probably don't have this option. Don't worry about it. It's really not essential. It will just speed things up a little bit for the bees as they get started in their new home. So I like to give them at least one frame of drawn comb if I can. I'm going to go ahead and remove 3 of the 5 frames and set them aside for just a couple of minutes. It's completely optional, but some people like to spray their bees with a little bit of sugar water. It's important that you don't douse them and so that they can drown, but this will kind of give them something to do while you're working with them and can keep them calm as they clean each other up. The first step is I'm going to go ahead and remove this cover using my hive tool. Underneath the cover, you're going to have a can of sugar water, and the queen is on the end of this strap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just tap the bees and get them all to the bottom. And I'm going to go ahead and spray the bees on top a little bit and let them work on cleaning each other off. While they're cleaning each other off, I'm going to go ahead and take this can of sugar water. When I take it out, I'm going to go ahead and have my cover ready to cover back over the top. That will keep them calm. And now I'm going to go ahead and remove my queen. She's hanging on this black strap inside of the hive. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to remove the cork from the candy end of the queen cage. So if I release this cork here on the top, the queen will get out immediately. I don't really want her to get out for 4 or 5 days so that the bees in here can get used to her pheromone. And so if I release this cork here on the bottom, there's candy here which will take the bees 3 or 4 days to chew through. This is probably the most important stage, is removing this cork from the candy end. Now there's a couple of things you can do. What's most important when you put your queen cage in is that the mesh side is available for the bees to be able to touch the queen and transmit her pheromone throughout the hive. You can do this by either just pressing this into the comb like this. If you have comb, if you have no comb, you can take this strap and put it on the top with a thumbtack to hold her in place. About 4 or 5 days later, we're going to come in and make sure that they have eaten all this candy out and that she's been released from the cage. I like to put the candy on the bottom side rather than on the top side, because if the candy becomes loose, it could fall down on top of the queen and either crush her or injure her. So I like to have it on the bottom side, let the bees eat that out from the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and set this aside while we install the bees, and then I'll put the queen in last. So I have all of my bees in here. Again, it's optional, but if you'd like the bees to stay a little bit calmer, you can give them a little bit of smoke. In my case, I'm using vapor smoke today. And then I'm going to just gently tap the bees down to the bottom of the package again. And now all there is to do is just simply dump the bees into the beehive. It's that simple. Now I'm going to tap it to get the rest of the bees that are in there to one corner. This will make it easier for me to get most of them out. Now I'm never going to be able to get all the bees out, and so I'm going to go ahead and lay this at the entrance of the hive, which I actually need to turn this around this way, and I need to go ahead and open up this entrance. Now the last step is I'm going to put my frames that I took out at the beginning back into the hive. I put my queen into the center along with my drawn comb. And then what I need to do is I need to feed this hive. It's very important that they have plenty of carbohydrates as they begin to build out comb. So I'm going to remove this little tab here, but if you had a beehive, you could feed them with a frame feeder or on top of the inner cover, whatever you chose to do. But in my case, since this is a nuke, I'm going to just remove this tab. And I'm going to go ahead and give them a jar of sugar water. And that is all that there is to installing a package into a beehive or into a nuke box like I have here. You can do it. The bees generally will stay pretty calm because they're young nurse bees. So don't be afraid. All these bees that are flying around, they will find their way back into the hive, and you will be on your way to beekeeping this year.